Hello, my name is Troy Sanders. I'm with SawStop. We manufacture a table saw that actually has a safety feature that allows you to work at the saw without risk of injuring hands, fingers, some of those things that you need for your day-to-day life, right? So very excited to be here at India Wood. It's our first, as a company, it's our first time in India. So we're very excited to be here with Capel. We feel like Capel is a great partner to be able to bring these saws and this safety feature and these capabilities to the Indian woodworking market, which we're very excited about. We're down here at the Capel booth. What we have on display, we have 3 saw models available here at the show that we're very excited to show. High quality, traditional American table saws, very versatile machines. High quality is what we're known for in the US and Canada. And again, we're very excited to bring that to the Indian market. So come see us down at the Capel booth. We're in the skilling area with Festool, Bessie. You'll see us right on the aisle. Again, SawStop here with Capel. So you can see the models. You can see the quality for yourself. And every hour we'll be doing a demonstration of the safety feature and showing you how this saw can actually help save your fingers from injury. So we're very excited. 12 years we've been selling table saws in the US. Never had an accident when the safety system was supposed to deploy. So we're excited to bring the same capabilities to India.